Alright guys, so I actually have a video started earlier before when I got home. You can see from the first clip when I got in my car, but for somehow it time-lapsed the whole thing. I don't know, this thing's weird, but I think we got everything situated. Let's get going. Show you guys POV. Put that on my backpack. It was like an app right there. Hey, no. God damn. Bro, if you guys would hear this exhaust, man, crazy. Oh my gosh, traffic, bro. Typical LA traffic, guys.
We're gonna go to the house.
But I'm trying to have it low so they can hear the exhaust in the car and shit. That's the whole point of the POV. I'm gonna try to upload more of these videos to see how like you guys react to them, and you know if the reactions are good, then I'm gonna just stick to them. I don't see a lot of people having POVs of like a ZL1 1LE. So the only thing that sucks is this little head thing hurts my forehead. No cap, that shit fucking kills. Hey, that guy looks familiar, bro. Yo, this shit looks crazy. Brutal ass downshifts. Gotta take the small streets. If you know, you know. Damn, Moses heard me from a mile away, bro.
Where's that?
I can see that little dog under the gate with his nose. All right, guys, let's get it. I stopped by the bank real quick to get some cash for one of my employees. Dang, driving this thing is a beauty, man. This thing takes corners very well. Tires stick. They don't really stick in the cold, but once you warm them up a little bit, I mean, they start to stick. I'm gonna see if I can do some pulls right here on the freeway. Obviously do it cautiously. It's a little bit of traffic here in LA. Typical LA traffic, but I mean, you can't do anything about it. But yeah, I mean, I've been having this car for about a month or so. And man, this thing is crazy. Definitely one of those cars where it just like smiles per gallon, because I was debating on either getting this or the Nissan GTR, but I ended up getting this, you know, based off reviews and people and previous owners of GTRs. And I've seen a lot of people who switched from GTRs to the ZL1 1LE, and they say the ZL1 1LE is so much more fun. And I wanted a stick shift car too, you know, you have more control of the car and it's like, you know, hands-on. So this is the reason why I got this car. Aggressive, so mean, and handles like a joy. So I mean, this car sold me instantly. Sometimes I feel like I want to get a faster car because I'm already used to the horsepower, but man, 650 horsepower is just a lot, you know. I mean, where can you push that here in LA? You can't push it anywhere. So I mean, definitely you get, for, you know, $70,000, $80,000, you get a whole track package. You know, this car beats GTRs around the track, some Porsches, Lamborghinis, etc. I mean, you're for sure getting the most bang for your buck, you know. So I can't complain. V8, supercharged. What else do you want? So. So I just arrived to my warehouse. As of now, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this, because I'm gonna be uploading more like this. So subscribe, comment, like, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.